Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Integrated Physics Studies IPS. एथरे मु ऑलरेडी प्लस 2 सेकंड ईयर सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर सारछि एबे मु प्लस 3 CBCS ऑनलाइन क्लासेस रो वीडियोज गुडा अपलोड करिवि जदि भल लागिला ताले लाइक कर देबो एवं सब्सक्राइब कर देबो जो वीडियोज गुडा मु अपलोड करिवि तार नोटिफिकेशन पई एठी बेल आइकन को ऑल रे सेट कर देबो गोटे इंपोर्टेंट जिंस वीडियोज रो ऊपर एठी जो 3 डॉट्स देखुछो तार क्वालिटी एठी देखो बाय डिफॉल्ट 360 अछि तमे ताकू पढे मध्ये परिबो एठी एडवांस रे क्लिक करी तमे रिजोल्यूशन बढ़े परिबो प्रति वीडियोज रे मु पीडीएफ लिंक देबी ताकू एठी ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट रो तमे क्लिक करी डाउनलोड मध्ये करि परिबो पीडीएफ को लास्ट रे एठी जो मोर चैनल नेम अछि याकू क्लिक करी तमे एठी प्ले लिस्ट को जाई मु प्रति वीडियोज को यूनिट वाइज एज पर सिलेबस सजाई की रखिथिबी तमे सर्च करि परिबो ओके थैंक यू हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आज रो टॉपिक रे हमें रदरफोर्ड्स एटम मॉडल एंड इट्स लिमिटेशंस विषय रे पढिबा सो ऑलरेडी हमें रदरफोर्ड्स अल्फा पार्टिकल स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट आ ता सहित रदरफोर्ड स्कैटरिंग फॉर्मूला विषय रे देखिला सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द कंक्लूजन्स जो कंक्लूजन गुडा बाहला ए जो रदरफोर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट रो सेथिरो रदरफोर्ड गुटे नुआ एटम मॉडल प्रपोज कले okay which is known as the Rutherford's atom model and it has the following characteristics. Number 1, an atom consists of equal amounts of positive and negative charge so that the atom as a whole will be electrically neutral. Then second point, the whole of the positive charge of the atom and practically the whole of its mass is concentrated in a small region jahaku ki ame kohiba core of the atom and it is called as the nucleus. Okay, third point re, the negative charge which is contained in the atom in form of electrons will be distributed all around the nucleus ro charipote electron guda rahibo but separated from it. Okay, nucleus ro alga hiki rahibo, right? Then come to the fourth point. In order to explain the stability of electron at a certain distance from the nucleus, it was proposed by Rutherford that electrons are actually revolving around the nucleus in circular orbits. Okay, so that the electrostatic force of attraction, because nucleus is positively charged, electron is negatively charged, so there will be electrostatic force of attraction between them and it will provide the necessary centripetal force so that the electron will revolve around the nucleus in circular orbits, right? And the fifth point is the nuclear diameter is of the order of 10 to the power minus 14 meter. Okay, so let us calculate this nuclear diameter order. Okay, this can be shown as follows. So let us consider an alpha particle. मन रख अल्फा पार्टिकल मु कही इट इज ए डबली चार्ज्ड हीलियम न्यूक्लियस. ओके, हीलियम न्यूक्लियस जदि आमे नहीं जिबा इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 प्रोटॉन्स एंड 2 न्यूट्रॉन्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द अल्फा पार्टिकल. सपोज इट इज मूविंग with a velocity v and approaches a nucleus head on having a charge plus Ze. Okay, this you can see in the figure. This is the nucleus with charge plus Ze. Alpha particle is this one with charge plus 2e, right? Now the velocity of alpha particle will decrease, okay, till it comes to rest at some distance, suppose equal to r0. okay, eta hela minimum distance between the alpha particle and the nucleus. So a minimum distance re पहुंची गला परे alpha particle it will be repelled back along the direction of approach. काहे कि एमती हला because alpha particle और nucleus both are positively charged. okay, so ए जो r0 distance जो minimum distance याकू आमे कहिबा नहीं परिबा radius of the nucleus. okay, although again later on याकू पुणी modification करा गला. for the time being Rutherford model हिसाब रे ए r0 होची nuclear radius. so let us calculate its value. so देखो इनिशियली आमे यदि काइनेटिक एनर्जी देखिबा अल्फा पार्टिकल रो इट विल बी हाफ mv². आ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी किछि भी रहबनी बिकॉज अल्फा पार्टिकल इज सपोज टू बी मूविंग एंड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी. ओके, सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 0 दे देला आमे इनिशियली, राइट? तापरे फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी यदि देखिबा जेते बेले alpha particle minimum distance r0 रे पहुंची गला, then it will come to rest. So final kinetic energy will be equal to 0 and final potential energy, this will be the electrostatic force of repulsion. So it is given by q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r0. So let us now apply the law of conservation of energy. So initial total energy और final total energy याको equate कर देला. So r0 रो value हमें पाइला this much. Now let us put the value of q1 and q2. Okay, alpha particle पाई q1 हे गला plus 2e और nucleus पाई q2 हे गला plus ze. Okay, so याको हमें put कर देला. Okay, तापरे एठी आमे 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 याको आमे लिखि परिबा 9 into 10 to the power 9, right? Now suppose एबे आमे यदि consider करिबा during the experiment जो थरे कि Rutherford perform करथिले alpha particle रो scattering, he bombarded the alpha particles upon the gold foil. So gold pi atomic number Z he gala 79, and let us say that the alpha particles are moving with a velocity 2 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Okay, so let us now put these values, and further the mass of the alpha particle will be 4 times that of the mass of proton, right? So is सबू जेते value put कला परे finally we are getting the value of r0 to be equal to 2.62 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter. So as you can see, this is having order of 10 to the power minus 14 meter, and this will give you the radius of the nucleus. Okay, so ये हला Rutherford's atom model. Now let us see what are the limitation को जगह रे एई atom model रे failure देखा गला. So first देखा गला जे according to the electromagnetic theory, a charged particle in accelerated motion will radiate energy. Okay, मन रख जदि गोटे charged particle को आमे accelerate करिबा, it will radiate energy in form of electromagnetic radiation. Now we know that the electron is a charged particle and it is revolving around the nucleus in a circular orbit. Okay, so it is constantly subjected to a centripetal acceleration given by v square by r. Okay, so that it must radiate energy continuously. Okay, so जदि एई energy radiation टा continuously चलिला ताले कौन हबो एबे इलेक्ट्रॉन रो एनर्जी टा धीरे धीरे कमी जिवो. Okay, so as a result of this there should be a gradual decrease in energy of the electron. ताले एबे electron रो path जदि देखिबा, it will be like that of a spiral path, and ultimately the electron will fall into the nucleus, right? So जदि एटा nucleus रे electron टा पड़ी गला ताले whole atomic structure will be collapsed. Okay, एटा कहला Rutherford atom model, किंतु actual fact रे जदि हमें देखिबा ताले atom is found to be very much stable. Okay, so एटा contradiction आसिला. atom रो ए stability को Rutherford atom model बुझे पारला नहीं. Okay, एटा रहिला first limitation. तापरे second limitation जदि देखिबा, as per Rutherford model the electron can revolve in any orbit. जे कोनोसी orbit रे electron revolve करि परिबो. That means it must emit continuous radiations of all frequencies. But again actual fact कोन, elements emit spectral lines of only definite frequency. Okay, so देखा जाए जे जो spectral line emission होची, it is of some definite frequency. Okay, continuously all frequency रो radiation रो emission होई न थाए. Okay, so एटा रहउची second limitation in case of Rutherford's atom model. Okay, so এই limitation गुड़ा को further modify by rectify कले later on Neil Bohr he proposed the Bohr's atom model, जोटा हमें upcoming classes रे पढ़िबा. Okay, thank you.